If I move weird, I have my dogs on my lap. I don't know why. Sometimes they just insist. What is happening? So for today's video, I wanted to talk about my bullet journal. I've been bullet journaling for about 2 years now or something like that. And I filmed a bullet journal setup last year and I have a whole new setup this year. So I want to share it with you. I think this is my favorite bullet journal setup yet. This is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover. They have binders with rings in them. They come in like 3 different sizes, I think, a PM, MM, and GM. This just comes in one size, which I love. This is the A5 size, and it's perfect for bullet journaling. Same as last year, but I did get it hot stamped. That's me. I purchased these rings on Amazon. I think it was like a 6 set and there was gold and silver. I love silver. I'm all about silver. That's what I want my vibe to be this year. So they're silver. And then I have these plastic inserts. They go on the front of the notebook just so they can slide into this agenda. And then this cover, I purchased this on Etsy. How cute is this? Just pretend that's like me, but I didn't customize it. That's just how cute they made it. Last year, I just did a real like bound journal. And then this year I purchased hold paper from Cloth and Paper. I'm still really new at this whole bullet journaling thing, so I don't know, but Cloth and Paper looks prestigious and all that. Okay, I just had to look up my order because I didn't want to get it wrong. I purchased the 2021 dated planner inserts and they're monthly with a Sunday start. And then I purchased the task planner inserts ×2 for 2 of those, the minimal executive notes inserts, and the bullet journal dot grid paper. I have it kind of in a weird order, but it works for me. So I started the book off with a few pages of the dotted paper. So this is just like how I like to start my bullet journal. I did this last year too. It's a quote from Beautiful and Damned, and then this is me. I'm 30 this year. And then the next page is also dotted, and it's just my highlights of last year. There wasn't too much going on, didn't travel or anything like that, not even to Oregon. So I just have like fun things, cute little like scrapbook looking thing for my highlights of last year. And then just like a little summary of fall, my favorite season, summary of winter, just ending the year of 2020. And then this is kind of a draft, but this is what I want my 2021 to look like. I want to put a different picture on here. I just taped this sticker. And then my dogs. And then here is the 2021 monthly calendar thing. This book belongs to me. And then so here's the calendar. It just shows the whole year, year at a glance. And then it starts off January. You have a spot here for goals, a to-do list, important dates, and then there's bills due. I have the same bills due every month, so I changed it to purchases. And when I buy something, I put it here, and then when I get it, I check it off. You can do whatever you like though. But then here's like the whole calendar of January. I just put some stickers from the Happy Planner, I think. I have stickers from them. So after each month, I wanted to put lined paper like for journal entries. So I don't like the calendar in the front and then the journal. I just like to group it differently than that. So after the January paper, there was like one part that was lined. I just added a lot of lined paper after this from the packs that I bought. And then that'll be my journal. You know what I mean? We're not that far into January yet, so I don't have these things filled out, but I just put like 6, I think, papers, and then the next month, and then the lines. I just think it's really nice to have it sorted this way. Obviously, most people would do their calendar and then their journal, and I want this more to be in order of time than of subject. So that's what I have in my bullet journal. So the pictures that I have printed, I purchased them on Amazon Photos, and I use their matte photos for the smaller size photos like this. I still use the Amazon pictures, but I use the app PicStitch because you can choose the size of your file and then you can choose collage layout. So I like to do that, and then you can get smaller photos. This book is A5 size, so it's not huge. I love this book. I love to write in it with this. Things that I like to do on my calendar. I like to put birthdays in purple. I like to weigh myself on Thursdays. I like to write in green when I put a YouTube video up, so I'll definitely mark this. And yeah, you can just do whatever you like. How much you can make these personalized, you know what I mean? Like, there's not just one for everybody. I love that. I'm not very artsy, and I'm actually not crafty. I like writing. That's like my favorite thing, is to write, and then just sticking stickers on it to try to make it cute. Here's like when I redid my pantry right here, just that kind of stuff. If it's not photos that I've taken myself, I get all my pictures pretty much from Pinterest, like this. And then of course I have this pen. I got this from Etsy. That is my bullet journal. Just I wanted to do a quick run through. I'm still loving this Desk Agenda by Louis Vuitton. I just think it's so great, and I'm not easy on this. Like, I'm pretty rough with it. I open it and close it a lot, and I like to pull this book out a lot too, and it's been very sturdy. Last year I had a book that didn't even correctly fit in it, but this year she fits and it's all cute. So yeah, I wanted to wait to film this until I was like using it for a little while, just to see how I liked the layout and all that, and I really love it, so I wanted to share. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.